What happened with my phone? I don't know what happened. The phone just go off. The phone just go off. I don't know what happened. Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Emil, can you hear me? Can you please say yes if you can hear me? Hello everybody, can you hear me? Come on, say appear here. Hello, can you hear me? Just say yes, please, if you can hear me. Okay. So let's continue with what I'm gonna say. And one fateful day, like we don't go take the sheep then a farm. We they go for go tie them na inside the jail yard, inside the prison as them day. So at the age of I think I was 12 years by then. Yes, if I can recall, I was 12 by then because my mama don't know me age. My mama not a book person. My mama na like just a very hard working farmer. Like she's very intelligent in farming. You know everything about farming. You know everything about animals. Like so, I think I was 12 by then because my dad was still alive in McKinney. We do cleaning back. They go work. A very quiet man. When they say quiet, very quiet and intelligent man. Mr. Dumboya, any say we dey. May God, may your soul rest in peace. So that particular evening day, I go for go tie the sheep then. I go for go tie the sheep then inside the prison yard and the fell where I enter outside with the tie the sheep then I meet somebody there. When I one guy. I was forcefully like raped by him. And but the kind mama where I get, I don't get and go tell and say they don't tamper with me. No. I be so afraid like me mama because anything you tell her na bui, anything you tell her na bui, I say I so I don't ever mistake open my mouth and tell her. So that's so everything happened. I did me day one, things start to happen for me like I don't know, belly hearts can begin. When I say belly heart, serious belly heart. Belly heart, me belly be always the heart, like small picking like where they do on you pay me belly the heart, like always at the call I go on. Then I think now I can get so food. I get the scar on my foot here so. But me not supposed to really get damage, a big scar, I get the scar on my foot. We do clean, or I dey go school, I dey tie the pen I go to that school. The story just start like I not reach na the deep side and it, I not reach na the sweetest side and it of the story. This one I just gist started doing how life starts, how everything. So this of food I can they permit at the end of the day. This of food well. Then the rape issue come inside. I be explain this at the house, so now start. I don't know who can distract me. List if they listen, they listen, get out. You don't know how they start. I know you just can't grab on top. I grab on top. No, I have to explain from starting to ending how everything, how life be don't treat me, how life be don't day at the end of the day. So even if I explain them 10 times, is my story, not yours. Keep quiet. I hate 10 times in there, so you don't know they distract people. So at the end of the day, this rape issue come, it pass, belly heart starts. I'm not gonna open my mouth and tell me mama because like she's the kind of mother like the talent in her so. Even you guys are say this person go slap me, you say go there. Go let them go slap you back. So this is not the kind of man like go grow up with at the end of the day. Me and my big sister no more I will be in the house. With someone who say yes. But you not knowing that we get brothers them. I get two brother, I get other sister. Because I was six when I born with 14, according to my sisters them, I was six survive with 6 days. And my man not begin born quick. All his sister then cause and say, oh, you know the born, you know the this, you know the that. But we got ready for game. Now we 14 a born. At the end of the day, now we six left now in hand. How they born and they die, some they matured. I remember one of my brother, they want not ever see. But then it been day. Then they don't born me now. And I don't grow up small. I think the moment so if you come for cancer we border Albert, we are see like it don't die. So I not be able to see and so the people the one who are able to see are able to see the way come me bien because I mean at the last born to me mama, I mean at the last born. And so me daddy them back I mean at the last born. So to the other that we get two last born, he gets other people on the last born, Aisha. So at the end of the day, this rape issue can done. I dey live my life, not tell nobody, but the pain dey inside me like I dey go through some things like I don't want voice about, I don't want tell somebody, I don't want tell people. As a pekin, then telling as a young girl. Then one fateful day, my papa go work na Masanka at the northern part. Then call the place Masanka. Anybody will know now they care go then Germany for go work, then put Germany for go work. Then my belly can act this belly where the belly act now it been very, very serious. Why I say serious now life and death. And can you imagine? You then a host as you with your mama not get like my mama not get 5,000 meals in hand for make a carry me go na Arab hospital. Like you see no more now, so come on. And not get time for go to na Arab hospital. I the call at the end. Later, my mama decide because the condition I be don't get out of hands. My mama decide say, okay, let go with an hospital. Where in papa car he go pay. My mama outside the also be na the back post I been done na the cement side. My mama just get in back now. I go na let me mama popo me. A rush with me na the Arab hospital. Also they reach the doctor we been there, na the Arab doctor. I can still recall his name because I live with them for like 3 months. Dr. Farida and Dr. Mohammed. Then me so much left my business after my operation. They say I go live with an Arab them. Because I be the prayer I be the pray me 5 daily prayer. When they say Muslim picking, I was born in a Muslim home and I they pray me 5 daily prayer because of that. Even in sick bed, I always tell you, I say I want pray. So after my operation, then I say, well, I go live with them. So then give me the set time all where God for take my life. The set time, my mama sign say yes. Then just they go try, but at the end of the day, they not go assure me mama say I go survive. Then go with me in a theater according to my mama now, then do the operation. Then take me out. I then at the hospital but me na person from what they grab up, I remember say like I'm strong. I'm a very strong woman. I mean nothing not they give me the rule me down, trust me. I'm strong. The way they know me operation, you can begin work like saying I waiting self no. Then the operation it happened at the age of 13. Because I 1 year interval. We then do me operation. Me that he can I think say can later settle the bill. And I've been just a lovable daddy. I'll not lie to you. Can you imagine in the left in workplace, a can't sit down in hospital. I don't all the sleep. We sleep in a hospital that I see me remember papa don't they sleep near me in a hospital. So at the end of the day, for cut story short, then discharge me, we kinda host, then tell me say make I not eat make I dey eat pawpaw. Me I dey eat pawpaw for me belly or whatsoever. When I begin eat pawpaw, I begin vomit blood. I dey throw out blood. More than think I go back. So finally, pawpaw was my like na maybe worst food. Now this 2023, I begin eat. Last year, I begin eat pawpaw. I remember say yes. I accept pawpaw back as a food. I begin eat am. But I not be dey eat pawpaw. Now gari now maybe they soak they eat because now when you serious, now you dey go eat serious. Now gari, I be remember I just come on operation. I dey soak gari. I dey eat because I want for eat gari. Now the only choice time they want get all that thing all day. I go eat gari. For cut story short, we all in at that house. Mates speaking and now we now everybody day. Rebel and car attack, Ecomok and car attack Rebel it was a rebel or Ecomok then a McKinney. One fateful afternoon. Then come attack. When they attack, If I not do one, you not do two. Because me na me when I would three no more. And everybody on our party then left free. I'm a Kenny. Me and my mama with my sister. We take in family and go free town. Then say they me not sabi if I go free town first. You cannot be one day go day. So at the end of the day, he run away, he go, he left me and my mama. My mama struggle with me saying I'm a Kenny at the end of the day. We go Magboka. Na Magboka we go hide. We go hide na Magboka. Na graveyard will be the sleep. We not the sleep na house na graveyard. Pan tap the burying ground then they will be the sleep na graveyard. Because helicopter either they go and old guy picking and they rape or helicopter they go and eat bomb. So we the sleep and the burying ground. We have no choice. Later we come back inside McKinney Town where they see fire. We come McKinney Town. My mama can see some Kailan people where they fetch this sword. The other one named Sao man to man inside where they kudos auntie. I they give you kudos because this woman here so the balo ele me. If you day you get phone, you dey watch me. The hour where we dey put inside fridge, you dey put stone on top. Now the hour this. My mama can't let this woman. He said, give me you picking her go with her Kailan. He said, before you left here, so they can kill her you and my mama sacrifice say yes, let them go with me. He give me to unknown person. We take road for Camp Kailan the first time because I not been sabi Kailan because them pull me there, I think at a young age or whatsoever. We all adjourn in for Camp Kono first. I buy food to work from McKinney to Kono. I buy food to work. We not get motoka. We work by foot. From Kono, we can't go and call the place. We did Kono for like 1 month. And every time my mama say they count me, we they can't stay na other town they say they go direct na Kailan. They go to me so my mama and sister. That was the agreement. My mama and them two no more. Then they don't left, and then them two still there against sister. Then the last one. So they say they go to me to my mama and sister. That was the agreement. So my mama tell us if I do. And never go to me, never fulfill in promise to my mama. Wait till talk to my mama. It take me we pass Kono, go hold me na Kono 1 month a day with her. When next can wait you go one do, you go one hey God. So many things happen. So sometimes I dey run, I dey come on at the house. I dey go for go friend me living a street. I dey go and work for people in daytime. Now one palo, I don't hold it down. If a man would wait himself and so, this the this so, this the this so, this the this so, all man depend business at the end. So I dey for that struggle like they say when if I come work, they hold me put me inside fridge. It put stone for me, and that day I dey suffocate. Where pull me, I run back. I go. Because I don't want to let them kill me. So for cut story short, if the network bad all left and tomorrow will continue. If one they get me, it's fine. If one they get one, tell me because again I have to see serious and then up tonight again. If the network bad one, tell me will continue tomorrow because this is not story like I got for tell for a whole month. I got for tell una everything bit by bit. Make una know. I just say the story. I don't want to make anybody feel pity for me. I just say this for inspire other young women and young girls them where they grab up in life. Where feel like life don't hard for them. Where they go choose prostitution, they go choose drugs. Say because life don't difficult for them, they will go into drugs. What is it? So I dey tell this my story for like inspire una. Say giving up in life not to anything, not give up. Hold on to what you get and believe. Say yes, you can do it. I was 13 by then. I was 13 years by then. 14 because then do me operation. 2 months where they attack McKinney, where they won with me. So that woman always say be like they suffocate me inside fridge na net. That they put me, they put stone and tap me. I go let the struggle tear either come. So for cut story short, we move again, Kono. Not knowing that be the lady na be rebel for cut matter short. Na be rebel lady na war them the fair. But just because it's Okmen day, my mama feel say that I'm day sister. So he believe and take him picking here and say go sir. Where go? He say go give me picking to me sister before me picking left her so then tamper with her or they do something bad to her. Go with me picking for me. I suffer na that lady day and over 6 to 7 months I dey suffer na in and na road by foot. I remember when I reached to me auntie, me mama and sister. Pastor they put me foot na for coop for let it go down as a young girl. I thought bundle, I popo I thought load na me head, I popo load na me back. We left corner for one place they call Barajuma Yahweh. Barajuma Yahweh, we go Barajuma Yahweh. Na empty mat at the Ledompa. Matter. Na they at the Ledom. Barajuma Yahweh. Would I know Barajuma Yahweh? Would I don't live there? Na that corner axis. You know the place na in a mountain area. Then say the banana bokuna banana at the eat. Banana. You don't serious. I will serious. I go say like I eat yes. A whole 1 month today na that place. Na banana with the eat. Yes, I'm a Sierra Leonean. Now banana we they eat at the end of the day. We dey at that place. We dey go, I dey go up mountain and go fend snail. For law can survive. I defend banana for law survive. But then say the banana no hard forget. You dey get banana anyhow. But at the little empty mat, the place cold. Now they again me sickle cell can chronic for me. If don't clean, if they not tie me, put me in a sand, I need able to do anything. I go up with a sickle cell. I don't know whether not taste. I don't know na wait man. I go out for star. I go here them begin say maybe not taste, maybe not this. But if them join their cage for art, pass them time me they tabe me they put in the tabe goats then lay na gone before I be able to get back to myself. I went through all those things. For cut story short, we left Badajuma Yahweh for head for Kailan. That's me auntie day Bobu 3 miles away from 2 miles away from Kailan. Now then Bobu. We finally reached Bobu. He hand over me to my mama and sister. But I miss my mama and sister back at the end of the day. Things were like bad for them. When they say poverty, I cancel poverty in your life. See, and that thing called poverty. Anybody they watch me, if you you not get you poor. I cancel poverty in your life. Poverty is a very bad disease. We're not a cure. We're not a cure. If I tell people then they I say this, me own sister, maybe you go watch the video. At the end of the day, they say be married to for the called inside the war. Me cousin or so, then born so picking them. Life been good for her, then sending day. Life was good for her. Would then they cook, would they eat? But I have to walk like if we don't clean me on blood, me on blood them, me on blood. Pass I walk for them before I eat. And go give me yes scanda. Yes, that the scanda the bag. You the beat and when you beat and you clean and fine. The fenfe where they left there. Now they take go cook. Then say I not sabi waiting a Maggie. Now when you get money, now they go buy Maggie. No. Then call that thing bush Maggie. Now bush abi they go then call it the thing they you don't live in a village, you go know how they talk, but that bush Maggie now they go pick. I beat and fine. I wash some. That water they now they cook plus sweet. I eat her. Because Maggie no be the say me mama no dey. Na me one at the tongue with me mama and sister. When you cook it, they give me my mama and sister a not so bad person. I do always say this, my mama and sister, not a bad person. It treats me like a princess. If it gets money, then say then I don't live a life, a standard life. You understand? But they left today at the end, I can say that this person here, like sometimes what they see in call safe, man don't lie. Something maybe you go watch that video. One of the see you call another pick because you be why they go clean in room, I they see money, that money inside my new sports online. Yes, but at the end of the day, nothing good happen. I did that village day. I told village champion. Why I say village champion? Village champion. No ever give you picking. See, come brother, man. You picking no matter what in the situation be. They with you picking. I told village champion from one farm to another farm. From one they call and jagaja. From one host to another host. When them born me, they say me. When them born me, they born me. The lamin, the me other daddy. We deny me. They say my mama don't born juice, now make you deny me. I been yalla with them born me, they say me now wait. My mama don't born. My family now with six. Now me no more yalla. They say my mama don't born juice. So because of that, that part they for deny me. They say not to born me. So like me color, now dossy, now farm work, all that work there, I make me color dark. Yeah, it happened for a reason. But I'm telling this. I don't want anybody to feel sympathy for me, to feel pity for me. I am telling this to inspire other young girls. I'm coming deep to the story. People need to know the story and learn from Hawa. The Hawa today they call it like anything called pain, not they move me anymore. Nothing know they again when I pain, when they shake Hawa. Because I have been through everything in life. The bad, the good, everything. I don't go through. Yeah, water me. Yeah, water. Any common am again because one, I don't cry. I'm all out. I don't get water am again. So at the end of the day, at the end of that village, say one thing they call gawi, where na yam bush yam, or they go dig, or they go dig bush yam. Survivor just to let you survive. Work out boiler. I mean, my mind sister again kudos. I dey plan for go fend access because at the end of the day, if you get money, enough for me don't ever left me. God's son, are the you also talk as a people eh. Say me they blame media. Wait, want to talk to? If you want to talk to me, come and talk to me with your real page, okay? God's son, because I don't feel like na fake page they use. I'm not blaming any media people. Me they blame media people. I'm not blaming any media, okay? I'm not to blame anybody for whatever happened to me. And another tell is because Paddy abuse yeah, I beg, please abuse it. Abuse it. People need them privacy, I beg. You can't meet us you talking on phone, you can't begin me a no abuse it, not so. Don't look to anybody, just do what this is what I am doing. I don't have time for any what is this thing. You can't give comments like follow not talk or you distract me, you will not distract me. Like I will continue saying what I will say. And like I've been the say where this evil spirits can inside for can distract me. I don't know, he say he call himself God's son and I don't block him because me I mean that is CEO of my life. I am saying this if blogger they want let them pass it and let them do anything. I just say my story, I just tell the world my story for let people learn from my story. Let you know feel say life don't throw stone at you. You go give up on life. That is why I am telling the world my story. If you want Go at me. If you want, go make fun of me at the end of the day. I don't care. Yes, that evil spirit, Sarah Kali. Sarah Kali, that evil spirit. The man is an evil spirit. Believe me. I never talk me, sweet, sweet talk. You want to cut on me mouth. Like I say, I live in that village, or village champion. So today, if like they are calling me Munko celebrity, it's none of their. It's not my fault. Like I grew up in the village. From Makeni in a village in Book Fly Street. For cut story short, at the end of the day, my mama come. My mama come, it take me, we go now we village. My mama wake up, I say no, they sit down and no big toe. If you go outside in mama bindi, they call the village Golala. 3 miles away from Kailan, Golala village. When we go to this Golala village, there was no house. The rebel and burn everything. The only thing where they left them are the mocks. Now the mocks and left there. So my mama not get no choice. He say, Lord, we decide for round tapoli and sleep na the house. Na the mocks, na so na the mocks will be the sleep. Inside the mocks. We sleep at the mocks for a long period of time. And my mama come back to farm the village where people in car never begin staying now. So my mama decide for put on one structure, one dirty structure. We sleep. So we turn the mocks we house. People here will call, eh? People here will call. If you call, now they call where people in the call, they disturb me. Wow. Una. What is? Okay, what is that? What's that? Can't pass it, Tika. Eh, una they give me that. Una they give me. Just say yes. I don't open. Open me. Lock and a pass here. Lock and no lock. Wait, lock and a broke the broker. Can you hear me? Okay, no problem. You don't think I? You don't think I? Okay. So so that ship they want me mama the ship say any go no fight because they don't use to me mama at the end of the day. This ship don't use to me mama say like where the helicopter they pass we they want by the helicopter, me mama they want by the ship. It been so funny that fateful day. Me mama me mama not take nothing. Nothing to nothing me mama don't take. Una ask me to me mama take. Na pillowcase na he go take. Beyond that pillowcase, then me mama don't, me mama get money inside that pillowcase. Then like life we don't begin. What is small for we like with the plant. You don't brush in cacao garden. We get cacao there with the pull out. We dey go sell. Then a basa exchange with the pan like where you go give us if the person gets. Me mama be dey make soap. Where we go give the soap, then they give you rest. Na so be dey do. What go give rest with the exchange money. Let's say the money not being waiting self you need see money. So like na basa exchange you be the pay. If na pama you want somebody get rest, you give you the rest, you give am pama. Na so be the do, na so be the survive. Then we do clean, we go do jagaja for people in village to village. We go cut rest for people them or let them come. For love survive. So that day me mama take the pillow. Beyond that money, me mama just that pillow, they don't hide that. We go na the bush now, so I go hide na the cacao garden. Now see mama, what she get inside this pillow? I find you left this pillow. Now small money na in the inside. Now I say, so now for this pillow you have subsidy if we don't die at the end of the day, now we'll laugh for picking it. Then say now one me other sister we don't can join, we don't call Josephine. We are okay saying my call be any we don't can join me. So now we'll be in three now with three girl picking and they with them at the end of the day. With grand picking them. We all day with her. So that's done. And Akingona village, they go sell for my mama, they go do barter exchange. One day I nearly left now WhatsApp, person go put me in the stick because I go na the next village for go and sell. When I dey come, I meet the water don't swell inside the cacao farm. So I not get no way. I put the stick, the sansan be don't flow, not knowing that then sansan the way water the cow like when you mass inside, it dey go with you. So as a mass, my mama in three so for all single, the three and after 3 to 7 months now we see them because dry season now they go fishing. Now we able to take the tray back we see them. They able to pull me, then squeeze me chest water come on, and at the end of the day, my mama say la rest small for sale. Then I can't decide to finally say I want begin go school. We dey come on our village, we dey go Bobo. Because then they may cook ball on our school for school picking them. So because of that ball go like I've been so glad I dey go school every day. Na tolo na the knack, I know the plants. Inga no get yana me aid, not today like I begin pull yana me aid and be the knack tolo for go school. Because my mama with the planting a problem. Now problem with mama the planting. So I get me low cost, I don't care, we don't clean, I go bump on my inside. Then they laugh me at school. And they laugh me. But I was so bold enough when I then at school. Any activities we come at the champion. When they say the ball go committee, now we the champion. When they say cook na kitchen, now we the champion. Because I want when them cook, let them put for me bokum. I go for take for go na us. That's also I survived. Say one faithful they now ask me, mama. Because I don't say now, I see me papa, I see nobody. One day within okay, now my uncle first I internet story. That my uncle they come back to me on side and the wickedness they do me, the pepper will show me. It allow me to sleep now grown. Ordinary grown. Matter no day, math no day, nothing no day. Ordinary I say ordinary grown. I don't sleep there. It's ain't open for me. Now window I be the jump at the bullet door. And the morning I don't come on. My uncle I say teaching, but you know so I go candy because I go for Canada the city side. I still live off my village. This village also, my village, the village with sweet, really, I don't like you now. The village with sweet, we net car, we set with fire, we sit down near we dey go fishing. Like me, I get love for catch fish now. Water, where I go inside water, I look catch fish. Stay particularly for me. I walk out fish, boku. We eat, we sleep as a family. We dey live a very happy life. One day, na this my uncle here, he come out Guinea, now he come. Now he say, you look like Parliament. He say you in Parliament. He say una no get no difference. Now I don't have Parliament. He say you papa. No, I say no. I don't know my papa was Parliament. I say no, I want to papa. I say no, Dumbuya. I say no. I say go ask him, like let's tell you the story. So we will cut yes one day. Me mama na say, mama, who say me papa this so? This Dumbuya pa. Then say they don't go free to me. I don't know free to. I don't know nothing but city life. So, but my uncle is so smart enough, he get all the address of this pa. Now he tell me, say, I go ask my mama. My mama not great answer me. Like up to date, he not great talk. I come back to my uncle. The next day I come school, I escape. Now Kana City. Now Kailan so. I can ask my uncle. I say uncle, I don't know this fire so day. Now he say the last time we a member who said Padumbo, I believe say na New Englandville. He say number is it number 12 smart lane na New Englandville. I no be get pen. Then say na they go school but I no get pen. Man no like you now. Now I go take charcoal. Now I write some paper. I frame paper, then cement paper. Then I write the what it says. Para. Now I write the address. So one morning, so now I ask me, mama, that be Friday because the Friday they call Luma. They call Luma Friday, they will go back. Now I ask me, mama, I said, I want to go now. So I said, okay, no problem, go. I said, I go sell wood. because I be the sell wood, I be the cow, I be the broke wood from village and cows of cancer. And that they able me back survive, buy drawers, then buy them towel at the end of the day. So now I come. My mama be one of a business partner. When I in Impala, Jina, permanent, they do permanent business. Then they be sell permanent 75,000, you know. I be really want for see this part and I was desperate like to foresee him. Now I say, well, I want to go to city. I said I want to go to city. My mama not give me. I not say my mama side dey travel. I say I want go find my papa. But my uncle ain't no say like I want for go. But I not get money. I not get transportation. That's 75,000 for like me go free to I not get. Then refugee then and WFP Moscow they don't begin can kaila. Where then they go eat some back they go sweep with them. Now I go meet Sipa. Now I say, Palaja say my mama say like, give me one better money. I go house for mine for you. Because the part believe me and believe me, so now give me this money as so 75,000. Then 75,000 about good money. Now give me. Where give me now kind of the roundabout. I want get close, one get to a sister again. I said they can't feel it all. Unfortunately, they say if I said put out the go now I give the man my address. I write my phone and sure. I say no problem. They say me they stop killing I say, but which kind of they put inside the motor for like. So we then inside the motor car, I make for fine or talk sometimes a fine. Now I ask one woman, I say, Auntie, I say, how you dey do? I say, I dey go free to. I say, now this address, I dey go. Say, oh, you see me back, na near the na dey go. He say, me dey go do us back. I can recall. So, me and the one I will make party. He go with me, he enter with me, na me daddy in oath. Na free to. So, Pasoya. But that's a big Englandville. Smart Lane. Pasoya in compound. And they made a DVD. Within a one, I meet in a one room within 2 women. Life begins. Life, when I say life begin, I did life begin. Life begin. So many things happen at the end of the day. Me no say like na me daddy, I don't go for go send me daddy. But anything if something happen like the last born, they call me, go look for your daddy, you know about start picking, you know this, you know that. Like this then thing that be the always the ring na me is like it be the ring na me is. One woman they way wicked me, that woman they I wish I could go to that company back and see that woman. I go just greet her no more. I say, how you do? Because the woman I be they work for her. I mean they get what for her. I they cook for I they help her for in cooking waiting set all. When next come for no more I go sit down for watch film. I be they do this also for say for like give me money or like give me food that eat on for like go watch film. For that they no more better they sit down not so inside in one back at the end and not so parlor and enter back. Na veranda na that they catch for no more last la watch film. Then tell them the way they count me. The way person on the wood not say you don't work for you don't do it, you don't that where they come 50 low as last until they go water self and not give me as that woman they treat me. Then say any man need forget. I mean no person don't do me bad because you do me bad. Me not a Christian but it hardly for that forget but things there. They always say this. And I they pray let God give me the heart for good to forget. But I don't like it's kind of difficult for me. For that forget things that people don't do me. I know they forget. This I work for her. When they say work, I work for her. I dey work her from New England. I go Congo market. I go buy work. I work cook. Not all for talk, but I survive. Later, waiting put me free to account me back to my mama. I beat me. What I say beat and give me dirty beat me. Daddy meet me na police station. Then send the name daddy na security work I be do. A police station he meet me. Meet me police station. Police they intervene. They take me that very faithful day. I not sleep free so it can put me in a motorcar na Texaco like I remember na truck. I inside truck and my papa load me. And they cry. They be love me. But we not dey.